What is up, you guys? Professor Chinchilla here, finally doing a box opening on the iPad 4. Man, this is just brilliant. I mean, I had an iPad too. A tiny screw. Probably important to some, but yeah, as you can see, it is the iPad 4. I really didn't know if it was the iPad 4 because of they didn't put the 4 right here. If they would have put the 4, I wouldn't be that much scared. Man, I just ran upstairs and said, I'm recording this crap. Okay. So, let's begin opening it. I got this, my trusty knife, that will always be with me. I can open this up. You are not being very trusty, and you know that. Yes, you've been trusted. Okay, now we're getting somewhere. We are getting somewhere in this box opening video. Okay. Just move these out, move the knife out. Now to slide this out with 2 fingers. I'm probably gonna break something. Just watch. I'm gonna break something. Okay. I believe I got some. Okay. Come on, you. And there you have it, the iPad 4. As you can see it has Apple. It was done by Apple. Now this one is has Siri, and it has a high-res pixel, so that's definitely new. Now let us what is in here. Well, we got stickers. I'm gonna put that on. And a thing that says iPad. That's only a card. I can't really flip it open, but we don't need instructions. No, we don't. Oh, and we get, this, which is a new adapter for the iPad, the iPhone. If my camera can zoom in or come on. Okay, well, you get the picture. I think I was zoomed in. I don't know. I really don't know how to work with cameras. We also got this. The new block of the iPads. So yeah, it's a block. So I'm guessing you put it in here. Perfect. Now, if I am correct, you don't really need to charge the iPad. And once you turn it on, awesome. Let's just watch it turn on. Let's just watch it. The glorious moment of an iPad turning on. Any minute now. Come on. Any minute. Come on. Hello? Oh my god, it turned on. Hello, hola. Hola. It's talking word Spanish, which I don't know. Okay, so, I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment, subscribe, do whatever you want, but please help me get to 200 subscribers. If you like the commentary and that I got an iPad 4, please leave a like. Goodbye.